Good morning, Salam Alaikum, Namaste, S.H.E.I.L.D. How is everybody? Hope everybody is fine. I'm enjoying my weekends. Since I have come back to the normal working days like Monday to Friday, I am just enjoying my weekends. Trust me, Saturday and Sunday. Saturday, it's 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 Saturday. So let's chill out on Saturday. Guys, I have a good news and I have a bad news. Bad news is, no, I can't say it. Oh no. Right, bad news is that I am selling my BMW. Aww. What to do? Time to change another car. No, actually what happened is, somebody has offered me a very good offer on this car. Somebody who collects the old cars, who have a habit of collecting old cars, have offered me a very good price. And I don't want to miss that chance. So I am selling it. This was the bad news. Now, what is the good news? The good news is there will be a soon. Before that, I want you guys to drop here comments, suggest me what should I buy next, because I have seen Mitsubishi Hilux, Vauxhall, Tiguan. So I want you guys to leave comments underneath which car should I buy next. Do you want me to buy a Ferrari? Oh, wait a minute. I haven't won the lottery yet. So no, Ferrari is out of the way. Maybe when I win a lottery. Alright, so drop your messages underneath and let me know what should I buy next. Okay, as soon as possible. Because I need your help. I need your advices. And this car is gonna go soon away. Oh, I miss my baby. I'm gonna miss it. Right, never mind. Maybe the next one will be better than this one. So let's look at the positive side. Always be positive, guys. Always look at the bright side of new things coming in your way. Forget about the old things gone in the past. Let's look to the future and the good things and the positive things. So this is the end of the vlog. Before you go, don't forget to subscribe, because when you guys subscribe me, I feel like encouraged, overwhelmed, over the moon, guys. Just click on subscribe. If you haven't subscribed me yet, this will be the #1 channel of UK. Let's make it #1 channel of UK. Let's make it #1 channel of UK. #1 channel of UK. Don't forget to subscribe. I hope to see you soon. Till next time, you take a good care of yourself. Bye-bye.